Alrighty, so let's call this number 3. This will be the third coat. Do that as a reference so I know when I turn it on where we're at. So this is our third coat of the Ford Ranger driver's side rocker panel patch repair. Third coat going on here. Getting it kind of heavy. Oh yeah. Ooh, strong guy. That's like French or something for strong, I think. Yeah. Good. Yeah, good fan. I'm just hanging back a good little bit there. All right. Really welting it on there now. Yeah, I liking that. Alrighty, so laid it on pretty heavy. So that will conclude the primer build on the top side. Now we'll go back underneath. Let's see what we got. Let's see if I can do this all here. Let's throw on some light under the cover of darkness. Let me throw on some type of PPE. Hold on one second here. Alright, yeah, I want to throw on something for my eyes. Don't need no paint in your eye. Alright, so let's throw on the coat here. Alright. So this is call this number 2. All right. Wow, this sets up real nice. I probably let it dry already like 15 minutes already. I like how it fans out really nice. I mean, I'm literally like a million feet away, maybe like 8 to 12 inches, and it just lays right in there. Yep, certainly does. Yep. And the little pinholes I was seeing, I'm not quite seeing anymore. But like I said, the whole idea is let that sealer get on top of it, which I will be using in a bit. Alright, let's see in here. take a look down there. Yep. Yeah, heck of a lot better than what I had here. Well guys, this is very satisfying to be able to do something, and I'm glad I'm able to share the results with you guys and gals. Yeah. Alright, so that's the build up on that. So that's number 2 coat. For all intents and purposes, I'm gonna call it done. So alright, so that's what it looks like when it's all done. I'm gonna say that's 2 good coats. And there she is. Next time we come through, we'll give it some color. That's red, that is. Alright, if I can do it, you guys can do it better. Just be patient. If you make a mistake, don't fret about it. Correct it and figure it out. And stay able. Take care.